Good afternoon, good evening, and good night, and welcome to my channel. So, today is an update episode of my trading journal, and I just want to journal a few things on here so everything's still kept transparent and out there because I'm showing everybody the journey of trading and the true roadmap to success. Now, I'm just waiting for my trading journal to load. So, the past couple of months have been very difficult for myself in the sense that I've gone deep into understanding the true nature of the markets. Now, this is something that I will go into a bit more detail once I kind of feel qualified to talk about it, and also once I've kind of got a true grasp of it. And it's something that's going to take quite a while for me to understand. Now, my last entry into my trading journal on YouTube has been quite a while. So at that current moment, I was trading stocks. I found consistency within trading stocks, but then after looking at my trading journal and seeing the actual way that the kind of risk to reward was playing out, I did notice that there could be something in there that I could be doing to maximize my potential. Now, at the same time of learning that, I then was reading a book about market structures and stuff like that, and then it all kind of came into place a few months back. It was actually back in November when a very good friend of mine, Mike, mentioned certain concepts to me within trading and kind of blew my mind. He's a guy that's been into this for a very long time, since the teletext days of trading when the computer, the TV used to load every three minutes with the chart. So, he's an old timer within trading and a very good friend of myself. So, yeah, he told me some stuff and I went away and researched it and it blew my mind. And ever since then, I've just been going deep down a rabbit hole, finding the truth about the market and how the markets work. Now, how the markets work is for another video, like I said. But learning them is kind of fundamental if you want to be successful at this. But you can still be successful with retail methods, but you need a very good psychology with it. And I find that myself, my psychology is fine, I think, but what I'm learning now is you don't have to trade all the time. You don't have to take trades every day. You don't have to force them. If you understand market structure, you can let trades run for days. Now, what I've done, I've made a sacrifice and I've put trading stocks on hold. So, potentially leaving money on the table. I understand that. But at the same time, what I'm learning now can give me a reward that beats that tenfold. I'll give you one example. I took a trade 5 days ago. That was a 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio. So as you can tell, it's crazy. And if I actually look at my other one as well, I've got it on here. I'll tell you what it was. One here. Thought I might as well tell you guys. So yeah, these trades are just understanding market structure. It's just crazy, and it really opens your eyes into the market and how things work and why you should. So okay, so yeah, this one was a stop loss was this was a 1 to 17. So that's crazy, that is, And this was a trade that I ran for 3 days. This one was 2 weeks ago, and these kind of trades these can set you right for the whole quarter. If you get them right, you can be cool for the whole quarter, or for the whole month, or for the whole week, depending on how you're playing. But at the same time, because I'm still learning this, I'm still trying to find kind of a way of implementing this where I'm not missing setups. But at the same time, I have so many strategies that I know that work, that are proven to work, that me and the team have got working. But it's like you got to choose one, haven't you, and go hard at it. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to find myself within trading again, which brings into the thing that I'll mention in one of my podcast episodes, the Dunning-Kruger effect, but like the reverse of that. So confidence goes down, competence goes down, and competence goes up, but the ability is there. So I'm just trying to find myself at the moment and get a bit of structure in that. So what I've done is obviously seek the mentor within that, which is what I've done now, to kind of provide me with a bit of structure in this. Now, overall, what I want out of this is to be able to get some quite large trades on, more like investments in the sense that it's not really a quick trade, it's not day trading, it's more of a kind of long-term swing trade is what I'm trying to learn. Now, they're quite complex, but once you kind of get it, it kind of rolls. And I'm trying to really learn this, and I tend to overcomplicate things myself, because I like to know the ins and outs of everything, and I like to go deep down the rabbit hole. And even one of the methods that I have works. Really, I should sit here just doing that, but you guys know what I'm like. I like to go deep down the rabbit hole. I like to understand fundamentally and mechanically exactly what's happening for my mind to be at peace. And I haven't slept properly for a couple of months now. It's been absolutely crazy. Now, for anybody that wants to know a little bit more about this, I have got a project which I'll mention in the podcast that might be beneficial to you, and hopefully beneficial to everybody, because I want everybody to know about the potential that they can have within trading. And like I said, I'm on a mission to find out why 95% of traders fail. And I think this is one of the reasons that retail methods require such a strong mentality and psychology, and you got to be a certain kind of person. Whereas if you learn a mechanical method, the psychology is not as strenuous. So that's the mission at the moment. So back to my trading journal. I'm looking back to the 5th of the 11th last year. This is when I sat down and I said to myself, I'm going to go really hard at this. And obviously we are here now on the 9th of the 5th. And, that's about half a year, isn't it? So in half a year, after going hard, I've been doing this for a couple of years, but after going really hard, the place where I'm at now is absolutely amazing. I think it is. And I think there's no such thing as fast money within this. And I think I'm really proud of myself for what I've done and what I've achieved in this. And I just want everybody to know that if you go hard at this, you will succeed. And like I said, there's a podcast coming out where I will explain exactly the mentality and some research that I found behind this, which includes the shiny object syndrome and stuff like that. And that hopefully can be beneficial to anybody that listens to it. Now, I'm looking at all my entries throughout my journey, and there's good days and there's bad days, which is the reason why I've decided to seek this within the market, like this balance, and keeping this balance tipped up in my favor. I find quite hard, and it's strenuous, and I put a lot of work into doing it, where I know trading does not have to be that hard. I'm trading stocks on the open, right, which you can get a good return on that, but I'm seeking more. I actually enjoy trading, so I don't just want to log in and make a quick trade. I actually enjoy physically trading. So the method that I'm seeking now and that I'm doing now gives you a bit more. Now, those other things that I've learned are still implemented. Just at the moment, they're put on ice while I study this. And this is like, it's amazing what I found, and it's working, and there's kind of no need to go on demo and test it. It's not a new strategy. It's just a new way of looking at the market, which is absolutely amazing. There's a lot of charlatans within this game as well. Like I've said so many times, there's a lot of people that are on demo accounts that that are trying to teach people and this and that. It's a crazy game. It really is, and it's so hard to find the correct way, because you're gonna ask yourself, why does somebody want your money to teach you how to trade when they can trade to make money? You've got to ask yourself that question. Now, I have some very good friends that are mentors, and their answers to that question make sense, So you have to ask yourself that when you're doing something. And that's why trading's so hard, because people that actually know how to trade, it's hard to find people that are actually want to build a business out of it and want to teach people. There's very few people. I've been lucky that I found these people, but if you just go on YouTube, you can see some of the absolute idiots out there that have courses for ridiculous money. It's crazy, absolutely crazy game. So yeah. So at the moment, this rabbit hole that I'm going down completely changed everything. Absolutely amazing. And I say to anybody, if you wanna improve your trading, learn how the market moves. Actually study it. I'll be doing some videos about this as well. Just reading some research out that I found. And like I said, it will change your trading if you look at trading in a different way. Look at the market, how market makers look at it. Look at the market in the way of liquidity and orders. Try and follow the big boys. Try and follow what they're doing. Find out what they're doing. Find out how they do. And I promise you, it will improve your trading. So that's me for the trading journal. Actually, a few more things I will mention. There are some bigger things in the pipeline, which is not a course or anything like that, by the way. Just some bigger things that I'm doing myself that I don't want to mention at this present stage, but got some interesting things coming up. So thank you for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.